Outdoor speakers can open up a whole new world of entertainment for you and your family. There are so many different types of outdoor speakers. So, choosing the ones you really need can be a tricky process. To add to this, some of the terminology and jargon used by manufacturers can be confusing. Also, there is a broad spectrum of price and quality ranges. If you are looking to get one for your entertainment setup, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll give you a quick primer on outdoor speakers and key things you need to consider before you make the final choice. Before we get into it, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. For any speaker to qualify as an outdoor speaker, it must at least be weather resistant, which means it needs to be able to withstand low-level water splashing and constant exposure to dust. If your outdoor area is prone to high moisture and rain, we recommend choosing a water or a weatherproof speaker. How a speaker can handle these outdoor elements is usually denoted by an IP or an ingress protection rating. It is a rating used to define the levels of sealing effectiveness of electrical enclosures against intrusion from foreign bodies such as dust, dirt, and moisture. There is a lot more to it, but you don't need to deep dive into that. A general rule to follow is that the higher the rating, the better protection it offers from both dust and water. There are three basic types of outdoor speakers. Passive speakers are connected directly to your amplifier or receiver. They have no independent control for modifying the sound or adjusting the bass and treble levels of the speakers. They are usually preferred in larger outdoor spaces as they are much easier and cheaper to integrate. Next, we have active speakers that have built-in amplifiers and are largely plug-and-play. Many models also include a media player and some basic volume and tonal control. Finally, we have wireless speakers. These speakers usually integrate wireless technologies such as RF, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi to name a few. These technologies help in transmitting signals from the playback source to the speaker wirelessly. Most modern wireless speakers are designed to communicate easily with each other, making them a great option, especially for cord cutters. Now, we'll share some tips on choosing outdoor speakers. If you are going to connect your outdoor speakers permanently to your stereo system, it is best to run the wires through the ceiling and walls rather than leaving them exposed. This may cost slightly more in the beginning, but it is a safer and a longer lasting option. For the best range and sound quality, outdoor speakers should be mounted overhead and pointing slightly downwards. If your outdoor speakers are for occasional use only, speaker stands do a great job. You can dismantle the system and pack it up when they are not in use for a long time. Many people are also buying rock and garden speakers today. These are outdoor speakers that look like rocks and other garden ornaments and blend into your background. They are fully waterproof and deliver great sound and can be used anywhere. If you decide you want wireless speakers, it is worth to pay a little more and get good quality ones. Better quality wireless speakers have a greater range. You may not need to place them at maximum available distance from your receiver, but those with the greatest range also deliver the best quality. Make sure they also come with a remote control for added convenience. Finally, look for models with rechargeable battery packs. Wireless speakers do require power, so it's best to avoid replacing batteries all the time. We hope these tips help you get the outdoor speakers you're looking for. If you need any more assistance in choosing one for your entertainment setup, feel free to get in touch with UberPad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.